Hey guys, so today I went ahead and filmed with the 35C palette. It's the Everyday Chic palette from Morphe. I literally only used 3 shades from this palette and I really like the way that this turned out. The inside, which you'll see throughout the video, looks like this. It's really pretty. And yeah, I used this shade, and then this green shade. My daughter, obviously, she still is not in daycare with everything that's going on in the world right now, so I have to keep this short so I can get out there to her. But if you want to see how I create this little look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is it. This is what I did. I'm really loving my hair. I have an appointment at the school that I went to on October 14th to go in and like get the rest of the red pulled out so that it will match my ends. So I'm really excited about that. I could do it myself, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm terrified to use lightener on my new growth by myself. So I'm just gonna have the girl's name is Maggie and she's really good. My daughter's out there, but yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here before my daughter destroys the living room. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.